Here's our star marksman.
Hopefully. If not, we gotta run down for more ammo.
Alright, so go for the...
First, still echoing. Holy shit, we're not doing another one today.
First shot, baby!
Fuck, dude.
Suck it,
Oh,
Don.
man.
Let's do another one.
No.
We just gotta do it quick.
We're not doing another one tonight. The cops will be here so fucking fast.
All right, let's go look at the damage.
Oh, this wasn't the timber, this was the plywood.
That was the plywood that was under it.
Here's half of the... Oh my god, look at it sheared off.
Wow.
That's not even like rough explosion, that's just sheared.
Oh, the camera's still...
Look at the crater.
Look at it!
Oh my god.
Wait, hold on, I gotta get...
Check that out. Damn. Where did the symbol go?
It's dust.
I'm glad we didn't do the 10.
That would've been crazy.
Dude,
Here's your closing comment.
Miley
that was
and-
echoing for 10 seconds afterwards off of everything. And we're on top of a mountain. How the fuck?
Mildly impressed I got first shot, first try,
Same.
freestanding.
I knew you would. I
had
called
a-
you our star marksman.
You had good instruction. I told you where to aim.
Yes, that is very true.
All right, let's clean this stuff up.
We found the symbol. How far are we? 60 feet?
Yeah, some more of the plywood. Some more of the plywood
This was,
on top of. No,
I think it was leaning
behind,
it a little bit.
That's why I survived.
Yeah, just
Shot backwards.
bent that up real good.
Oh yeah, and the piece of the
Still
bolt too.
works.
It's still a percussion instrument.
Yeah, the piece of the bolt too over here. Piece of the bowl we used.
Wow.